It only takes 1 minute to make this much money. Yes, you heard correctly. You can make that much money over and over again every 60 seconds. Now, check out these proofs of payment right in your PayPal account. You wouldn't want this for yourself, right? In this video, I'm going to show you something brand new. This new way to make money online is so unique that very few people even know it exists. There are a lot of gatekeepers out there who want to keep this whole thing a secret for themselves, but the goal of today's video is to help you all get results and make your first few $100s online. I'll tell you how much you could make. This is a huge deal. The sky is the limit for sure. Just think about how much money you could make and how much you could move around if you were successful. Maybe you could already pay off some of your debt. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you everything. Everything is completely free, and you don't have to put any money into it. You can do this from anywhere in the world. But before we get started, welcome to MMO Girl, where we teach you the easiest way to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified when we post a new video about how to make money online. This way, you'll know about it and can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be afraid to leave a comment below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts about it. First, I want you to go to youtube.com and search for videos that will inspire you. From there, you'll see a bunch of results posted by other people that have gotten millions of views. But before you jump to any conclusions, let me just say that you won't have to make your own videos here. You don't need a camera or a YouTube channel for this method, but I want to show you this best-kept secret about how to make a lot of money with other people's YouTube videos. Look at this right here. As you can see, it's been seen by a lot of people. Now this video has 1,000,000 times as many views. There are so many people out there who are looking for this kind of content and videos. Now I want you to pick 3 different videos from this list. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go back to watching the video. I want you to go to uei.io for step 2. On this site, you can make money through PayPal and get paid every time someone clicks on your unique link. The idea behind this is pretty simple. You just need to make a free account on the website and then shorten your link. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to do that. When people click on your shortened link, you'll get money in your PayPal account. This is exactly how real money is made every day by people from all over the world. You get paid per click, and the amount of money you get will depend on who clicks on your link. For instance, if someone from the United Kingdom clicks on your link, you'll get paid $7. If someone from Norway clicks on your link, you'll get $5. Here on their website, you can see all of the different prices. From there, we just need to click the share button and copy the link to the video. However, instead of just sharing this YouTube link, we'll go to uei.io to shorten it. Remember when I told you that people who click on this link would give you money? Now the question is how to get people to click on your link and, more importantly, how to get visitors and traffic. Now we have to deal with the problem of duplicate content. How can you get people to click on your shortened link? I come in at this point. I've already written out this copy and paste script for you, so you can just use it to get people to click on the link you sent them. This script is called Motivate Yourself Like Never Before, and you can read the whole thing right now. You can just copy and paste it, as you can see here, and then type in and add your link in this column. Just copy the whole script and underline it. Let me now show you how to make a free account. To sign up for free, all you have to do is click on this button. Then you'll get to this page where you can sign up for free. All you have to do is type in your username, email address, and password. Now when you sign into your brand new account, you'll basically see all of this. Here, you'll see your statistics. Every single day, you can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're making. Obviously, if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 right there because you haven't yet shortened any links and gotten people to click on them. I'm going to use a brand new account to show you this exact example so that if you're watching right now, you can copy everything I do and start making money through PayPal. Now all you have to do is click on this button that says New Shortened Link, which will bring up this box. You are going to go back to YouTube now. This is the first video I picked out right. Now all I have to do is click on the share button and copy this link to YouTube. Then I'll just go back to my dashboard and paste the link into this box under Alias. I'll just write Inspiring. Then I'll just click on the shorten button right here, and as you can see, it will automatically shorten this YouTube link for us. Right now, this is a special shortened link from uei.io. If someone clicks on this link, they will be taken to YouTube. They will start to watch this video, and when they do, you will get paid per click. Now all you have to do is copy the shortened link here, go back to our copy and paste script, scroll down until you find this section, and then paste the script. Now we just need to do the same thing again by going to the second column to add a second link, and we'll do the same thing with the third video using this method. When you have all the links in order, click on File, then click on Download, and save this document as a PDF on your computer so you can start using it and posting it on this last website I'll talk about. This is the step where you get a lot of free traffic from people clicking on your shortened link. You can just go to slideshare.net. People share different kinds of information with each other by putting up documents and things like slideshows on this website. I found this example of a document and a slide that people upload to slideshare.com. Here, you can create a free account. All you have to do is click the Sign Up button at the top, which will bring you to this page. Here is where you can make an account for free. From there, you can just click the Upload button at the top to get to this page where you can upload a file. Right here on slideshare.net, that's where we'll put the PDF file. Slideshare.net gets over 160 million visitors a month, and a lot of people go there to learn something new. This is the perfect place for you to share this document for free so that other people can read it and learn something new. If they want to learn more, they can click on your link and start watching the video you link to. It really works out well for both sides. You can share a good video with other people and get paid per click at the same time. All done. This is the end of her story. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to get notifications. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.